Air purifiers versus humidifiers, which one is right for you? When it comes to creating a healthy and comfortable indoor environment, two essential devices often come into play: air purifiers and humidifiers. Air purifiers, as their name suggests, are designed to clean the air by removing pollutants, allergens, and odors, while humidifiers add moisture to combat dryness and improve respiratory health. So, if you are struggling with poor indoor air quality or battling dry air in your home, the solution might lie in either an air purifier or a humidifier. In this article, we will delve into the key differences between the two, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences, allowing you to determine which one is the right fit for your home and lifestyle. What's the difference between air purifiers and humidifiers? We've briefly mentioned that air purifiers and humidifiers are essential tools for maintaining a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. But what exactly makes them different from one another? What benefits do they bring to your home? Can they do each other's jobs without needing each other? With these questions in mind, here's the main purpose of air purifiers and humidifiers. Air purifiers. While air purifiers come in various types, their primary purpose is to remove pollutants, allergens, and other contaminants from the air in our homes or offices. Some of their methods include the following. 1. Pulling air through a filter, trapping the particles and releasing clean air back into the room. 2. Using charged plates to attract and trap particles. 3. Releasing ions that attach to particles in the air and make them too heavy to remain airborne. Another aspect you need to know is that most air purifiers are designed for specific room sizes, and it's important to choose one that matches the size of the space where it will be used. For example, the Renfo Smart Air Purifier 089 has a maximum space of 960 square feet, while the Renfo Large Air Purifier can reach up to 1,210 square feet. Aside from their type and room size, some models are also small so that they can easily be moved from room to room as needed, providing flexibility and ensuring clean air in different areas of the home or office. Benefits of air purifiers. Air purifiers effectively capture and remove harmful particles, allergens, and pollutants, creating a healthier living environment. These devices reduce the risk of allergies and asthma attacks by filtering out dust, pet dander, pollen, and mold spores. Moreover, they also combat unpleasant odors, leaving your space fresh and inviting. Don't compromise on air quality. Invest in an air purifier and enjoy the transformative power of clean, purified air in your everyday life. Humidifiers. A humidifier is a valuable tool for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, especially in low humidity regions and during dry winter months. To ensure optimal performance and health benefits, it is important to properly maintain and use a humidifier. First and foremost, it is crucial to use distilled water in the humidifier to prevent the buildup of minerals. Tap water contains minerals that can create deposits in the humidifier, reducing its efficiency and potentially releasing harmful particles into the air. Moreover, regular maintenance is also vital. This includes cleaning and disinfecting the humidifier according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure that it remains clean and prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Using a humidifier in low humidity regions and during dry winter months can provide numerous benefits. It can help alleviate dry skin, irritated nasal passages, and respiratory issues. By adding moisture to the air, a humidifier can also reduce static electricity and prevent cracking in wooden furniture and musical instruments. Benefits of humidifiers. Humidifiers offer a range of benefits for your health and home. They provide relief for dry skin and respiratory discomfort by adding moisture to the air, easing symptoms like itchiness and congestion. They also help preserve wooden furniture, reduce static electricity, and improve energy efficiency by making the air feel warmer. In dry climates, humidifiers alleviate physical discomfort, making it easier to breathe and reducing the risk of dry, irritated skin. While air purifiers focus on removing pollutants, humidifiers specifically add moisture to improve air quality, benefiting those with dry skin and respiratory issues. Overall, humidifiers are a valuable addition to any home, particularly in dry climates. Do humidifiers also purify air? Aside from adding moisture to the air, some humidifiers also claim to have air purification capabilities. These devices often include features like UV light, filters, and ionizers to supposedly help remove air pollutants, allergens, and bacteria from the air. While these additional features may offer some level of air cleaning, it's important to note that the primary function of humidifiers is to add moisture to the air, not to purify it. The limitations of humidifiers and air purification lie in their ability to filter out smaller particles and pollutants. While they may help remove some airborne particles, such as dust and pet dander, they are not as effective at capturing smaller contaminants like mold spores, viruses, and smoke. Therefore, if your primary concern is air purification, a dedicated air purifier would be a more suitable choice. Which is better, a humidifier or an air purifier? At the end of the day, a humidifier and an air purifier are two different devices that serve distinct purposes in improving indoor air quality. Both devices have their own benefits, but they can also complement each other in improving indoor air quality. A humidifier can help maintain an optimal level of moisture in the air, while an air purifier can effectively remove pollutants and allergens, creating a clean and healthy indoor environment. Using both devices together can create a balanced and healthy indoor atmosphere by addressing both moisture levels and air purification. Can you use both an air purifier and humidifier? Humidifiers offer plenty of benefits for both your health and home. Firstly, they provide relief for dry skin and respiratory discomfort by adding moisture to the air, helping to alleviate symptoms such as itchiness and congestion. Additionally, they can help to preserve wooden furniture by preventing it from drying out and cracking. They also reduce static electricity, which can be a common nuisance during dry winter months. Furthermore, by adding moisture to the air, they can improve energy efficiency by making it feel warmer, allowing you to lower your thermostat and potentially save on heating costs. In dry climates, these devices can help alleviate physical discomfort by adding moisture to the dry air, making it easier to breathe and reducing the risk of irritation in the respiratory system. This can improve overall home comfort and reduce the likelihood of developing dry, irritated skin. Takeaway: when it comes to creating a healthy indoor environment, air purifiers and humidifiers serve different purposes. Air purifiers remove pollutants and allergens from the air, reducing the risk of allergies and asthma attacks. They also combat odors. Humidifiers, on the other hand, add moisture to combat dryness and improve respiratory health. They alleviate dry skin, nasal congestion, and help preserve wooden furniture. While some humidifiers claim to purify the air, their primary function is to add moisture, and they are not as effective as dedicated air purifiers in capturing smaller contaminants. Using both devices together can create a balanced and healthy indoor atmosphere by addressing both moisture levels and air purification. The choice between an air purifier and a humidifier depends on your specific needs and preferences.